Are you using Proxmox or working with Linux? Then you probably are using Vim, VI, or Nano. Well, we have a fantastic editor to show you. This new editor is called Fresh. It's a modern terminal editor written in Rust, designed for speed and simplicity. It's got a GUI, but it works in the terminal. This has got highly capable features like LSP, plugins and cursor. You might ask what LSP is. Well, when you work with Notepad or any of the Windows editors, you have Control C, Control V. That's what they refer to as LSP. So imagine a text editor that you can use these commands. And this thing works with the mouse as well. You may ask the question, so why should I use Fresh? Firstly, it's easy to learn with familiar shortcuts and a clean interface. So you already know how to use this. Secondly, this is a fast, responsive editor, and it includes coding features, so you can use it for working with code. You can make this look like an IDE if you are developing in computer languages. The instructions for this video can be found on our blog. Please have a look down below for the link. And if you look on our blog, we have provided you with 2 links. This is the link to the GitHub repository where Fresh is. Now they do provide you with instructions here to install it. This is a summary. However, if you go to the second link, in here we get our latest releases. And in there you have all these different installation files, except the deb file. So we had to do something different to install this in our Linux. You will run this command, which you can find in our blog. Let's put in the password. Now this went fairly quickly because we had previously installed it. But in your case, it will take a few minutes. And now to test it, it's as simple as Fresh Hello World. Now let's see what else this thing gives us. In the view mode, you have a file explorer, and this opens up here of the folders where you are. Now that we have installed Fresh, we can now edit and create and edit documents. Let's create a document called How to Install Fresh. And we can type in here. This thing can work like an IDE. So if you click View File Explorer, now in here is your folders. So we are in our root users folder. If I go to Documents, I can go to a specific one. So as you can see, by clicking this, it opened up a new tab. I still have my previous document there, as well as this document. And I can also close the File Explorer. I am also able to do things like copy a bit of text, copy and paste. I'm not going to do that, Control X. Now be careful with this. If you switch this off, you're going to have a problem trying to switch it back on. It comes with a manual as well. So these are the file management, open, save. You've got different search modes, and it also has plugins, and it can work with different coding languages. As a Java and Python programmer, this will be nice for my use. And there's additional documentation here. Interesting that they provide this in Markdown format. Then you have revert, so you can revert a change. It's possible to customize this with plugins. So you can make this look like VS Code. And here are the keyboard shortcuts. I must admit, after playing with this, I don't see myself using Nano or VI or Vim anymore. We trust you found this interesting. Please give us a like, subscribe to our channel as we haven't reached our target yet. And with that we say, thank you, dude. Cheers.